Ja jongens, we zijn er weer klaar voor. Ik heb mijn Pitboss trui aangedaan. Even een kleine verandering in onze standaard YouTube films. Normaal hebben we de YouTube films altijd in het Nederlands. Maar deze gaan we in het Engels doen. En waarom? Pitboss heeft ons gevraagd om voor een social media kanalen in Europa 5 leuke films te maken, video's. En dat gaan we natuurlijk met heel veel plezier doen. Alleen Nederlands werkt in Europa wat minder goed dan Engels. Dus ja, dan moeten we maar in het Engels. Ik denk dat het wel te volgen is. De recepturen staan er altijd hieronder, dus dat komt wel goed. En we gaan er weer hele leuke video's van maken. 5 stuks.
Let's start.
Yes, okay, great. What are we going to prepare today on the barbecue? The barbecue we're going to use from Pitboss is the Pellet Grill 850. And I saw this on YouTube actually, and I was really curious how it would be when I prepared and how tasty it will be. It's a pork belly, brisket style, barbecued pork belly. We need some patience. The pellet grill is already heating up. For the recipe I used the beef and brisket rub from Pitboss. Best rub to use for this recipe, I think. Yeah, we give the fat a little carving so it can run out. Now it's time to rub the pork belly with the brisket beef rub. So it's important to give it all over a rub, so do not forget any part of it. It's all flavors. Turn it around and rub it again. It's a great brisket rub from Pitboss. And now we place it right over here. Leave it there. I got here a probe. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna stick it in. It's important you put it in the middle of the meat, so not only here, but try to. Okay, we'll leave it there until we reach a core temperature of 70 degrees, and then it's time for the butcher paper. What you're going to do with the butcher paper? We know what you're going to do with the butcher paper, but we'll show you that later. Good to know is that the pellets I use is a whiskey blend. I'm a big whiskey fan, so when there's whiskey, I'll use it, and we'll see what I do. I'm curious about the flavors and everything, and the good thing for this is leave it over there, and it's time to drink something, a good beer or a whiskey. See you later, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. Core temperature probe number 1, who's in the pork belly, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, Celsius, I mean. So they're ready to put it in the butcher paper. Get this one out. It's hot, so be careful. And there he is. Like this. And the great thing is, you can see the possibilities of the grill, the temperature and everything, what the probe is doing here on the display. But it's also the app of Pitboss you can use. They have them for your smartphone. Mine's a little bit dirty of all the barbecuing. And then they have different recipes you can use. So this is competition smoked baby back ribs, Chinese baby barbecue pork tenderloin, and so on and so on. So a lot of cool things to do with the app of Pitboss. But our cool thing to do is now to put this baby in butcher paper. Core temperature 70 degrees. And then let's like this. Let's see. I do think like this. And it's ready to go back on the grill again until 90 degrees Celsius core temperature. Then it's ready, and then we're at the moment to look how the result will be. I'm curious, man. Let's go. We did it. 90 degrees Celsius core temperature. Let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Ooh, all the juices, nice. Lovely. Here we go. The juices. Don't throw them away. A lot of flavors. Now let's see. Let's do it. The smell is just great. It's just, I love it. Look at that, all the juices still in there. That's what you want, man. Lovely, eh? Look at that. Oh. Oh, that's so tender. I really love this. That's a great way to prepare your pork belly, dude. Great. For instance, you could serve it with a bun. We got that lovely sauce. We do not want to throw that away. A little bit on your bun. On your bun. And then one lovely, no. Two slices. Yep. A little bit of your juice. A little bit more. Put that one, okay. That's the way we like it. A little bit of healthy stuff. Some crunch, like this. And then, like that. This one, guys, you have to try. It's unbelievable tasty. It's a great way to do it. It's fun to do it. Enjoyed working with the butcher paper. I enjoyed working with the pellet grill 850 from Pit Boss. Do you like to know more about Pit Boss? A lot of stuff going on in my mouth, man. Pitboss.com. Hashtag PitBossNation. Guys, enjoy barbecue, enjoy life, enjoy your sandwich pork belly brisket style.